4, our final heat. Lane 2 is Lucas Starling. In lane 3 is Colin Corderay. In lane 4, Andrew Schur. In lane 5, Grantham Brown. In lane 6, Bailey Parsons. In lane 7, Mason Haberger. In lane 8, Mitchell Griffith. And in lane 9 is Micah Springs. We have 2 Napoleon swimmers down here as well.
I feel like this is going to be such a good battle between Andrew in lane 4, Grantham in 5, Bailey in 6, and then also Mason in 7 in those 4 lanes there.
Well, you have 4 top 8 here. So Bailey was 2nd, Lucas Starling up in 2 was 3rd, Andrew Schur was 5th last year, and Grantham Brown was 8th. So we have 4 of the top 8 placers in this heat.
And I think that what we want to point out, especially with the time drops and everything, is that their seat time might not even be necessarily close to their personal best time that they've even swum in the season.
True.
Generally at sectionals, all you want to do is you want to do enough just to kind of get you into this final heat, but don't always necessarily have to do your personal best.
Yeah, it's this meet where you're going to see a lot more of the personal best and those PRs come into play.
Looks like Lucas Starling up there in lane 2. His pace has been sitting at a 28 so far, 28 on a 500.
There's your 29, but Andrew Schur from Wauseon was there at a 28. Man, like I always, my 2 teams that I always think of district or of distance teams are Wauseon and Napoleon. They typically have very good long distance swimmers. In both the male and the female.
And I feel like you always have that one single person who's your biggest competitor in those events. And they always end up, even if they're from your other team and they're your biggest competitor, they become your best friend.
Yeah, you're definitely right in that one. So right now we have Lucas Starling, Andrew Schur, and Bailey Parsons. All right there, and they're all just sitting in the 29 bubble. I have a feeling we're going to see some 450s.
Oh, absolutely. I'm going to say we're definitely going to see sub 5 minutes here. .30.01 on his split there.
And the fastest split there was Andrew with a 29.55.
He's catching Lucas a little bit. Slowly but surely, he's catching him.
Yeah, those like those little things like pushing off the wall, getting a good streamline, good kick off the wall. That can take like a half second, and that half second can build up. So if you have a great off the wall and a great underwater, just like right there, that was a great turn by Andrew. I mean, that really just set him off to put him in the lead of this race.
And Bailey Parsons, last year's 2nd place. District.
Yeah, he's hanging right in there. Man, it looks like Andrew's going to take a first, and I mean, I don't know. It's going to be a coin toss between Lucas and Bailey. So Bailey was 2nd last year, and Lucas was 3rd. Who's going to get it? Wow. So we have Andrew Schur with a 4:47.26, and Bailey Parsons is going to take a 2nd place finish for the second year in a row with a 4:48.71. And our third place finisher was Lucas Starling with a 4:49.64. Great race by all.